Hi kids, Merry Christmas and Merry Christmas. So Jensen got out of his stocking from Santa wind-up toys.
But we didn't. But we skipped it.
We got a couple bad ones, but that's okay. So we're gonna do the video on the good ones. Yes, we have a couple that were kind of broken, but that's okay. So let's wind up these ones. This one, the first one, actually you don't even wind him up. You just push him down, and it's really cool. It's like a new style, I guess, instead of winding him up. Let's go. See what he does. And he is orange with white dots. Whoa! It's a Triceratops. Okay, you want to do it? Do it on the floor? Okay, go ahead. Let's see. Push him down and watch him go. Look how he spins around, right?
No, wait a second.
You got to push it down and let him go. Yeah, see?
Wait. Let's do it.
As you can see, he's still got a lot of presents to open. Wait, I can't see. The kids can't see. Here, do it. Go ahead. Ready? See, you push it down. It has a little mechanism. Let me show them. It has a little mechanism down here where you push it down. Now try it like this, Jensen. Ready? He just kind of spins around. Okay, let's get the other ones. I'll try up here. Okay. Wait, he kind of stops like in the middle. He doesn't go too far.
That is awesomeness.
That is awesomeness. I wish he would go a little better though, but that's okay.
We have first we have this one.
Doesn't go too far, does he? And yes, he got a basketball hoop and other presents. Okay, let's get the other one of toys. Let's do the other one of toys. Yes, and he got this from his Aunt Nene, which is a building set with wheels and screwdrivers, and it's very awesome. Okay, but let's go in here and do the rest of our wind-up toys. Okay, so we did the dinosaur already. You just push him down. But he doesn't go very far. Okay, so yeah, we'll put him up there. And then the next one, which one are we doing next?
Let's see which one is a winner.
Okay, which one are we doing next?
The snail.
Okay, let's do the snail. Wind him up.
Okay.
Want Mama to wind him up for you? Here, I'll wind him up for you.
Kind of slow.
Hurt your fingers if you do it too much. Okay, ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Go. He's a snail, so he goes slow, right? He's got his little face. He's very cute, though.
And he got a little eyes.
Kind of looks like Turbo, right? Let's see if we can wind him up a little bit more.
Like Turbo. Looks like Turbo.
Let's try to see. Let's let him go this way. Ready?
Okay, yeah.
Set. Go. He goes slow just like a snail. Okay, put him up there
Just
with
like
the
a real
dinosaur.
snail.
Okay.
Oops.
We have another dinosaur too now, don't we? Look, we got a T-Rex. Let's do him next.
Yeah.
He's green with white polka dots.
Okay.
He's easy to wind?
Yeah, he's easy to wind to me.
Okay.
What?
Let's see what he does.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at him. Whoa, he's so cute. And you can see his little teeth and everything.
Wait a second.
His mouth opens and closes. It's so cute. Okay, next one. Our next one, look, we have this woodpecker or a toucan, some kind of bird.
Like
one of his wings came off already too, but that's okay. Okay, come here and let's make him go. Let's see, what does he do? Are you getting his wing?
That one is broken, but let's fix it.
Okay, let's see. You just got to pop this back in. Let's see. Daddy, can you pop it back in? And you just pop it back in. The wing pops right back in. So let Daddy pop that back in, and let's do another one while Daddy's popping his wing back in.
Wait.
Now you want to wait for him? Okay, we're going to wait for the toucan.
My Daddy fix everything.
Yes, Daddy fixes a lot of things.
But some he broke.
Some he breaks.
Some he toys broke.
Just snap right back in.
Some boys break everything, but bad boys.
Yeah, you shouldn't break your toys. That's right. It's very true. Okay, if it's not going back in, that's fine. Let's just do him the way he does now. The wing's not going back in. He's having a hard time getting the wing in. That's okay. Don't wait. Let Daddy. That's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, let's go ahead and let's do it. What does he do?
Watch. First watch. Watch and learn.
Let's see. Watch and learn. Okay. Oh, look at him. He jumps around.
Wait. Do it again.
Oh, he jumps. That's so awesome. There he goes. And let's see the front of him. You should wind him up and let him come this way so you can see they can see his face.
Okay.
But don't hurt your finger. If your finger gets sore, you can stop, okay? Because you don't want to, like last time, it had made a hole in your finger. Okay, go. Whoa, he's spinning around that time. Oh, there he goes. Oh.
He's stuck.
Okay.
We'll see which one is a winner.
Now, what's the next one that we're going to do?
This one.
Next one we're going to do is the penguin. Let's do the penguin. I wonder what he does. I haven't seen him yet. No, I haven't seen him yet. Turn him this way so we can see him coming this way. Good job. Oh, look, he wobbles. Oh, look, he just wobbles around. Super cool.
Wait. He goes in a long time.
Cool.
Goes in a long time.
He's very cute. And he just wobbles and wobbles.
Do it again.
One more time. Don't hurt your fingers. And then we have saved the best one for last, I think. He's really awesome. The plane. He just wobbles.
Come that way.
Super cute.
He's the really
penguin
best.
wobbling.
We should keep him. And a snail and that one and that one and that
We
one.
keep all of them. Santa brought them for you.
Yeah.
These were all in his stockings. Okay. Now, last one.
Last
It
but
is
not
the
least.
cool plane. Got wheels. And he's
And
awesome.
he got this.
Yep, he's got a little thing on the bottom. Watch what he does. Go ahead.
What's the one for?
Go over here.
Yeah. Wait. Wait a second. Wait a second, guys.
Whoa. Keep going. You gotta keep. Here, wind it good. So then he'll. Whoa. Okay, let me see it. Let me wind it for you. Let me wind him up. Wind him up better.
My finger hurts.
I know. Don't wind him up anymore. I don't want you to get your finger hurt like the last time because he wound him up so much that it hurt his finger. Okay, ready? Ready? Set.
Go.
Go! Oh, he flips over! Oh my goodness! Whoa! That is so cool! Oh, set him up! Set him up! He flips over and then goes again. Oh, that's awesome!
Let's do it.
I love that one. Do it one more time. Let's do it on the table over here, or up here on the counter, so you can see better. Okay, let's do this one last one. One more time. Oh my goodness. That's definitely my favorite one. He's so cool.
No, let's do it a long time.
Awesome.
Do it really fast.
That we did it all. We did all of our wind-up toys that Santa brought Jensen.
First, and we do these, of course, with the presents.
Let's see. Ready? I wound it up good.
1, 2, 3, go.
Three, go.
Oh,
Oh. How to fix them. Oh, fix them, fix them. Oh, don't let him fall off the table.
I'm almost.
Oh, look, he's going around in circles. That's so cool. Oh, he stopped sitting straight up.
He did like this.
That
like
is
that.
awesome.
He did like this.
So, yeah, so this is our wind up video. So, we hope you guys liked it. We're going to go finish opening some more presents. We just wanted to show you.
Just show you. And which one is the winner? Okay.
We just wanted to show you our wind up
Which
toys.
one is the winner?
So, which one's the winner? I think that the plane takes the winner spot. What do you think?
I think 2 of them.
Yeah, the penguin and the plane. Yep, and they both start with P. Penguin, plane.
Yoo-hoo!
They both start. Or airplane starts with A. Airplane.
Yoo-hoo!
Yay! So, I think that was an awesome video. And I think we're going to sum it up here. And I hope you guys are having a very Merry Christmas. Say, Merry Christmas, kids.
Say Merry Christmas to all.
Merry Christmas.